In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watermark images in Wix. Adding a watermark to your images not only protects your intellectual property, but also adds a professional touch to your work. Whether you're a photographer or a business owner looking to safeguard your images, understanding how to watermark them is essential. So, let's get started. First, log into your Wix account and navigate to your dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your site, from editing content to keeping track of visitor analytics. Here, in the dashboard, you'll gather the tools you need to make your site's images truly your own. Once there, click on Edit Site to dive into the creative side of your web page. Now that you're in the editing interface, browse through the different web pages and locate the photo you wish to watermark. Make sure to choose an image that is significant to you, one that you feel needs protection or branding. When you find the one you're looking for, hover over it until editing options appear and then click on Edit Image. This button will take you to a space where you can make basic adjustments to your image. Next, focus on the array of tools available to customize your image. Look for the text button among these options and click on it. This feature allows you to add various text elements to your image, which is exactly what you need for watermarking. Once the text feature is activated, type in the watermark text that you want. This could be your business name, a simple logo, or even a copyright notice. Be sure to use a font style and size that complements your image without detracting from it. With your text typed in, now comes the fun part, placing it on the image. Drag the text box to position it wherever you feel it looks best. A popular choice is a corner of the image slightly transparent so it doesn't overwhelm but still clearly indicates your ownership. Remember, the aim is to protect while maintaining the visual integrity of your photo. Adjust the opacity to your liking. Lower it for a subtle effect or keep it bold for a strong statement. Once you're satisfied with how the watermark looks and where it's situated, save your changes and exit out of the editing mode. Give a final review to ensure that everything looks just right. Congratulations, you've successfully added a watermark to your image. Continue this process with any additional photos you want to protect on your Wix site. So that wraps up our tutorial on watermarking images in Wix. With this knowledge, you can ensure that your images are not only beautiful but also protected. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more insightful tips and tricks to enhance your online presence.